If you're seeing Gmail error 12, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step way to troubleshoot it and get Gmail working again. This is a common issue that can happen because of a temporary service problem, a browser issue, or something like a VPN or proxy interfering with the connection. So before you start changing anything major, follow these steps in order to save time and avoid unnecessary frustration. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. All right, let's get into it. First, you want to check whether Gmail is actually having a service issue. Open your browser and go to the Google Apps Status Dashboard. This page shows the current status of Google services, including Gmail, so you can quickly see whether the problem is on Google's side or on your side. If Gmail is experiencing an outage, the best thing to do is wait and try again later. If the service looks normal, move on to the next step. Now, refresh Gmail itself. Open Gmail in your browser and go to your inbox. Sometimes error 12 is just a temporary loading or session issue, and a simple refresh can immediately fix it. If Gmail loads normally after refreshing, then the problem was likely temporary. If not, don't panic, we still have a few more things to try. Next, turn off any VPN or proxy service you may be using. VPNs and proxies can sometimes interfere with Google services and trigger access or connection errors. Disconnect the VPN or proxy completely, then go back to Gmail and refresh the page again. In many cases, this alone is enough to solve the issue, because Gmail can now connect directly without anything blocking or rerouting the traffic. If the error is still there, the next thing to do is clear your browser data. Open your browser menu, usually the three dots in the top corner, and choose Delete Browsing Data. Make sure you select cookies and cached images and files, because those are the most likely to cause sign-in or loading problems. Then clear the data and reopen Gmail. This step can remove corrupted session files or outdated cache information that may be causing the error. If Gmail still isn't working, test it in incognito or private mode. Open a new incognito window or private window from your browser menu, then go directly to Gmail and sign in again. Private mode disables most extensions and uses a clean browsing session, which makes it a great way to figure out whether the problem is coming from your browser settings, cache, or an extension. If Gmail works in incognito mode, then the issue is probably related to your normal browser session, and you may need to disable extensions or clear more data later. If it still doesn't work, the problem may be on Google's side or tied to your account session, and trying again after some time is usually the next best move. To recap, the fastest way to fix Gmail error 12 is to check the Gmail service status, refresh Gmail, turn off VPNs or proxies, clear your browser cache and cookies, and test in incognito mode. Those 5 steps solve most cases without needing anything complicated. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.